this this is funny, and I'm a little embarrassed at the same time. In our very last video, I did a review, an 8-year review of the Curt A16 hitch. Right after that review, we left Mesquite, Nevada to Elkhart, Indiana. And on the way to Elkhart from Nevada, the clunking noise that I mentioned in that last review got worse and worse. There was a clunk in it when it rained or when the hitch would get wet. And we didn't know if it was the Curt A16 fifth wheel hitch, the Gen Y pin box, or another component of the hitch system. We did not know, and we couldn't pinpoint it. And I like to troubleshoot, and I like to find the problem and not just throw parts at anything. So I was looking for this clunking noise. Well, we found it. Somewhere in Iowa, we found it. And it was in the jaws of the Curt A16 hitch. It was raining. We could see the pin box moving in the jaws more and more. Now, we were still towing the trailer with it, and we made it to Elkhart, Indiana with it, but that's when I decided to call it quits. I couldn't justify anyone's safety on the road or losing our trailer on the road because of a faulty hitch. And so we decided to replace it. And we're going to replace it with another Curt A16 hitch. We actually did. We already replaced it. We have a brand new Curt A16. Just the head. Just this part is new. And the reason we went with another one was, well, time and money. It was the fastest, cheapest thing we could do. I really want a flatbed truck, and I really want to lower our fifth wheel back down to a factory ride height. And I just didn't have the time to do that, so we went with another Curt A16. We got 8 years of use out of it, from 2018 to 2026. I think that was a pretty good run. And we had a Reese hitch before this, and the Reese, I had that from 2009 to 2018. And the reason I upgraded to the Curt was for the articulation. When you hitch and unhitch, I wanted this movement in the hitch head. Both hitches worked very well, and both I had for 8 years. I don't know if, or I guess I had the Reese a little bit longer, 2018, so almost 9 years on that one. I don't know if 8 or 9 years is the length of time to own a fifth wheel hitch or not, but that's been my average so far. Mind you, that this hitch went through a tornado. When the tornado destroyed our previous fifth wheel, the fifth wheel was attached to this truck and via the hitch. So I don't know what forces were put on these jaws during the tornado, and if that event didn't happen, how much longer this hitch would have lasted us. Because I imagine it was pulling and twisting and going in different directions during that tornado experience, because the trailer was pushed back and over about 12 to 18 inches or so from where it started at. And so I'm sure there was a lot of forces put on this hitch. But that was 2 years ago. So I've been driving around with this hitch for 2 years, towing this new fifth wheel. The clunking has just gotten so bad, couldn't jeopardize anyone's safety on the road. Didn't want to lose our fifth wheel on the road. I wasn't sure how you could fix the jaws or verify that they were okay. I talked to one hitch store, and they just said, you know, if we talk to the manufacturer, they're going to say replace the whole thing out of caution. So that's what I did. We replaced the whole thing. And let me tell you, there was a lot more play in this hitch than I realized. The new one, and I remember this one, it didn't have a lot of play in the beginning, but I was reminded, you know, years of using it and slowly getting looser and looser when I went to a brand new hitch, and I felt how tight that pin was in the jaws when we're driving, braking and accelerating. I was like, oh my goodness, there was a lot of slop in the jaws here. Now, what is wrong in this? I don't know. I really don't know. I towed the trailer with it. It did just fine. I don't know what is loose in it. I do not have time to investigate it further. I did try to investigate it a little bit further, but I just didn't have time. Now, I don't know what other people are getting life-wise out of this, mileage-wise or year-wise. We do travel full-time in our fifth wheel, and we've been on the road quite a while now. And again, this is my second hitch. The first one lasted 8 or 9 years. That was a Reese. This one's 8 years on a Curt. We don't know what the lifespan of the hitch is, but we just did that review, and then ultimately, in my mind, it's a failure at this point because I got to replace it. I don't feel comfortable, and I'm not willing to push the limits of how far I can push this hitch. If you know how long an average lifespan of a fifth wheel hitch is, please let me know.